Bitcoin has been creating a pretty severe correction back to the downside after yesterday night filling up this CME gap. But do not get fooled, because Bitcoin might be creating a new bullish divergence. Bitcoin is sitting at major support levels. We are just days out from our spot Bitcoin ETF approval, and a lot of Bitcoin liquidity is still piling up on that top side. So can we smash up that like button above the 50 likes? That would be amazing. And as always, let's first of all have a look into what's that imminent short term. And yesterday actually, we did see this pump and reversal back to the upside to be filling up our CME gap, but quickly after that, we once again reversed back to the downside. But well, in my opinion, I do think this whole dump towards the downside is actually going to be a pretty good buying opportunity, and I think this will be a pretty big bear trap. And in this video, I will be explaining exactly why. Look, I do still think that we are going to be seeing higher prices up towards the 48k level. And well, the first signal and also the main topic of today's video is going to be this bullish divergence. Now, we might be creating some kind of a bounce already right now, but we have an unconfirmed bullish divergence that we might be creating over here. Definitely, we can be seeing that on the RSI, we are creating a higher low, and on the price action, we are creating a lower low. Definitely indicating right now a possible bullish divergence. Now, what we want to be seeing right here is a bounce being initiated, this bullish divergence being confirmed with a little bit of a bounce, and then we might be seeing this confirmed bullish divergence, and then we can be seeing higher prices. Now, right now, this bullish divergence is definitely not yet confirmed, so we can still very easily invalidate this bullish divergence with just another dump towards the downside. So do be aware of that. First of all, we need to see a little bit of a bounce towards the upside to get this bullish divergence actually getting confirmed. But if we are going to be seeing that, we'll definitely expect way higher prices to be getting reached again. Now, another thing is that we are exactly sitting at support from our ascending triangle that we have been having a look in towards yesterday, which is looking very good. And in my opinion, this ascending triangle will be very decisive because we are getting very close towards our ETF approval window. And in my opinion, this whole move towards the upside has been basically initiated by our spot Bitcoin ETF speculation, and I do think still on our way towards the approval of our spot Bitcoin ETF, we are going to be seeing this uptrend remaining to hold. So yeah, very likely we are actually going to be breaking out this ascending triangle towards the upside, because as well an ascending triangle is a bullish biased pattern, so very likely we are going to be breaking it out towards the upside. But of course, there is always a chance that we are going to be breaking it towards the downside, and in that case, I'm just going to be having a look in towards our next support level going to be getting reached, which is going to be coming all the way back towards the 38k level. Now, I do not think this scenario is going to be very likely, but of course, we do still need to have a look in towards it. And on top of all of this, we have also basically all of our liquidity left on the top side. We have already grabbed all of the liquidity towards the downside, and right now, we can only really see liquidity being left to be getting grabbed on the top side. And well, we usually do tend to know that Bitcoin moves towards the liquidity, and whenever that majority of the liquidity is definitely clearly towards the upside, we can very often see that Bitcoin moves towards that direction. So yeah, also still holding our daily EMA ribbons towards the upside, and as long as we are going to be holding our daily EMA ribbons and also our ascending triangle support, well, in my opinion, there is definitely nothing to really worry about. Whenever we are going to be flipping these levels and towards resistance, or if we're going to be seeing a decisive break below, well, then of course definitely we should start to worry. So because of all of this, my target is still going to be coming in at about the 48k level, which is going to be our initial drop-off point where the bear market actually started. And every single cycle, we can be seeing we are retracing back towards that level and then create a larger correction. And after that, after the halving, then we are going to be seeing parabolic rallies. And actually having a look into what's on-chain indicators, it is still looking like we have some more room for growth. Only on the Nupo chart, we can be seeing that we are coming very close towards the top. But in general, it is still looking like we have a little bit more room for upside actually left. And that is exactly why I still do think we are going to be reaching that 48k level. And then we are going to be seeing a larger correction. And after the halving, once again, exponential rallies. So yeah, do be aware of that. I'm still going to be bullish as long as we are going to be leading in towards our spot Bitcoin ETF approval. We are going to be holding our support levels right here. I'm still, in my opinion, going to be bullish. And guys, if you are going to be interested in trading, make sure to check out that link in the description, because you can right now claim a free $1,000 trade on Bybit. So make sure to check it out. Claim the free trade and after that withdraw your profits. Make sure to check it out, and guys, follow me on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development, and I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.